Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about how to make a private server in Roblox on PS5. Now, Roblox on console doesn't look all that different from Roblox on PC, so here's what I'll do. I'm going to walk you through the steps on PC, and all you need to do is replicate the same process right on your PS5. So first, head to the game you want a private server for, let's say Blocks Fruits, Brookhaven, or Doors. Scroll down on that game's page until you see the tab called Servers. If the game supports private servers, you'll see an option that says Create Private Server. Click it, give your server a name, and depending on the game, you might need to spend a few Robux to set it up. Once you've done that, you'll get options to manage who can join. You can invite friends directly or set the server so only people you allow can hop in. Now, when you're on your PS5, it works exactly the same way. Go to the game page, scroll to servers, and you'll see your private server listed. You or your friends can just join from there, and that's basically it. The main thing to keep in mind is not every Roblox game offers private servers, and some do cost Robux. But if your game supports it, the process is super quick. If this walkthrough helped, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments which Roblox game you'd set up your first private server in.